Today I am going to tell you the use of farther and further in our English sentences. Farther is used for some distance between two objects or two things, and further is used to tell anything more. Further means more. So, in the first sentence, the park is dash than your house. Of course, it is not more than your house, so we will use farther because it is distance, used for distance. Similarly, in the second sentence, is the moon dash than the sun? It is not more than the sun, so it is telling something about distance, farther. Call me for dash information. Call me for more information. So, further will be used in this sentence. In fourth sentence, do you have any dash questions? Do you have any more questions? So, further is used in this sentence. Now, I can jump dash than you. Tell me the right answer in comment section. Thank you.